Hi, my name's Craig Waters. I'm the CEO at Idrivesafety. Not only do we offer highly qualified and caring occupational therapists, but we have a fleet of fully modified cars. The FSK 2005, a hand control with accelerator, trigger, brake, indicators, horn. For people who can't use their legs, these are life changers. The Fadiel Easy Drive, hand control with accelerator, brake, all the remote conditions, an amazing system. The Fadiel satellite accelerator, where it just comes over the hand and acts like an accelerator, an amazing device with remote or Bluetooth. The 3-point hand control, a seriously life-changing for those who are having wrist issues and holding. The RB systems, an amazing setup, highly used when attached to spinner knobs. So here are some of the spinner knob options that RB system remote clips onto as an ability to steer and do all the horn, brake and indicators and lights. This is another version of the RB system with that little dongle at the end that operates